Same chapter, trigonometric identities, question number 28. First one, sin theta plus cos theta into secant theta plus cosecant theta. We have to show this value is equal to 2 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Now, LHS is equal to sin theta as it is plus cos theta is also as it is. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta plus cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So this is equal to sin theta plus cos theta as it is. Next, take LCM cos theta into sin theta is the LCM. So cos theta gets cancels, remaining sin theta into 1, that is sin theta plus sin theta gets cancels, remaining cos theta. Next, this is equal to sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta can be written as product of these two, sin theta plus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta into cos theta or cos theta into sin theta. Now we expand this one in the form of a plus b whole square, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab 2 into sin theta into cos theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. So here I will continue. Yes. As you know identity, the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So replace here, instead of sin square theta plus cos square theta, replace 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta as it is. 2 sin theta cos theta. So whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Yes. Now you make it separate, you will get RHS answer. So 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So next, 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta can be written as cosecant theta, 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta plus sin theta cos theta sin theta cos theta gets cancels. So 2 or is 2 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. So this is equal to this is the method. 28. Second one, cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A into secant square A. We have to show this value is equal to only tan A. So LHS, directly I will start. Cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A minus sin A as it is. Secant A can be written as 1 by cos A minus cos A as it is. Secant square A, this can be written as 1 by cos square A. I started directly answer. So LHS, cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A minus sin A. Secant A can be written as 1 by cos A minus cos A as it is. Secant square A can be written as 1 by cos square A. So this is equal. Take LCM. Sin A is the LCM. Yes. Sin A gets cancels 1 minus. So here denominator 1. So sin A divided by 1 sin A. Next multiply this sin A into sin A. That is sin square A into, similarly here take LCM. So cos A is the LCM. 1 minus, so what you'll get here? Cos A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. Into 1 by cos square A as it is. Again you have identity. 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A divided by sin A into 1 minus cos square A can be written as sin square A divided by cos A into 1 by cos square A. If you want to write in bracket, because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Next, any cancellation? Cos square A gets cancels. One term sin A gets cancels. So finally remaining term sin A divided by cos A. So by using quotient relations, so this is same as tan A. So this is equal to RHS. Okay. Question 28, third one. Cosecant theta minus sin theta into secant theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. You have to show this value is equal to 1. Yes, LHS. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 divided by sin theta minus sin theta as it is into secant theta can be written as 1 divided by cos theta minus cos theta as it is into tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta plus cot theta as it is using reciprocal relations. Yes, this is equal to S sin theta LCM. So sin theta minus, so here what you will get? Sin theta into sin theta, that is sin square theta. Yes, sorry, here wrong. You got 1 here. 1 minus sin square theta. Next into, again take LCM, cos theta. Yes, what you will get here? 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. LCM cot theta. Yes, again by using identities. 3 identities you have to use. Yes, again sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By using this, 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. Again we have one more identity. 1 plus cot square theta can be written as cosecant square theta. Yes, now this is equal to cos square theta by sin theta into 1 minus sin square cos square theta can be written as sin square theta by cos theta as it is into S. 1 plus cot square theta can be written as cosecant square theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So this is equal to cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin square theta divided by cos theta into cosecant square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta into, make it reverse, as sin theta divided by cos theta. Let's make it cancel now. Sin square theta, sin square theta, sin theta, cos square theta, cos theta, cos theta. So final answer is 1. So this is equal to RHS. Yes. Okay na? Is it clear? Next question, 29th, first one. Sin cube A plus cos cube A divided by sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A divided by sin A minus cos A. We have to show this value is equal to 2. That's again very simple. So LHS. Yes. So sin cube A plus cos cube A. So just to remember one of the identity, A cube plus B cube. The expansion of A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus b square. Similarly here also again one of the identity a cube minus b cube, because this is of the form a cube minus b cube. The expansion of this one is a minus b into a square, this time plus ab plus b square. So in 9th standard you have studied one of the chapter expansions. Now sin cube a plus cos cube a, expand by using in place of a sin a, in place of b cos a plus b means sin a plus cos a into a square sin square a. We write first this one, no problem, plus b square cos square a minus ab sin a cos a whole divided by sin a plus cos a. This is only first term plus. Similarly here also a cube minus b cube, a minus b sin a minus cos a into a square sin square a plus b square cos square a plus ab sin a into cos a divided by sin a minus cos a. So this is equal to plus these two gets cancels. Here also these two gets cancels. Now very easy. Sin square a plus cos square a, this value is 1. Again by using identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore similarly sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin a into cos a plus here again sin square a plus cos square a, its value is also 1 plus sin a into cos a. We don't have any denominator, cancelled already. Yes. Now minus sin a cos a plus sin a cos a gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 2. So this is equal to RHS what we require. This is very simple question. And second one, tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a plus cot square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. We have to show this value is equal to 1. As again as usual consider LHS. So tan square a as it is divided by 1 plus tan square a is also as it is plus. Now these two you write in terms of tan. Cot square a, yes, cot square a can be written as 1 divided by tan square a divided by 1 plus, again cot square a can be written as 1 by tan square a. So this is equal to, yes, tan square a as it is, denominator 1 plus tan square a is also keep as it is, plus as 1 divided by tan square a keep as it is divided by, take LCM here, what you will get, tan square a plus 1 divided by LCM, that is tan square a. Now this is equal to tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a, yes correct, plus 1 divided by tan square a into, make it reverse now, so tan square a divided by tan square a plus 1, or can be written as 1 plus tan square a. So this is equal to tan square a as it is divided by 1 plus tan square a is also as it is plus, as these two gets cancelled, 1 divided by 1 plus tan square a, as I will write here. So this is equal to as 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a, as 1 plus tan square a is the LCM, and here tan square a plus 1, so this is equal to tan square a plus 1 and 1 plus tan square a, both are same, gets cancels. So final answer is 1. So this is equal to RHS term. What will get? Yes, any doubt regarding this? Yes, very simple. Simply substitution. Here the first one, 1 divided by secant A plus tan A minus 1 divided by cos A is equal to 1 by cos A minus 1 divided by secant A minus tan A. So LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, proof of these two are difficult. So better you take LHS and find the value of LHS and find the value of RHS separately. You will get same answer. Then also you can say these two are equal. So LHS 1 divided by, directly we start, secant A can be written as 1 by cos A plus tan A can be written as sin A by cos A minus 1 divided by cos A as it is. So this is equal to 1 divided by, take LCM. So cos A is the LCM. We get same numerator also, 1 plus sin A. Yes, this is equal to. Next, we can shift here cos A divided by 1 plus sin A. Sorry, here minus 1 divided by cos A. So here also minus 1 divided by cos A. Now you take LCM, 1 plus sin A into cos A is the LCM. As 1 plus sin A gets cancels. Cos A into cos A, that is cos square A minus cos A gets cancels. Remaining 1 plus sin A. So this is equal to, cos A can be written as, by using identity, 1 minus sin square A. Again we have identity. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By using this identity, cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A plus minus 1 minus into plus minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So this is equal to, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancels. Now you take minus sin A as a common. Remaining here, so if minus is common, remaining as sin A plus 1. So divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Next, sin A plus 1 or 1 plus sin A gets cancels. So minus here, sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. Yes, this one call it as 1. Similarly, find the value of RHS. Similarly, find the value of RHS. This is the value of LHS. So the value of 1 divided by secant A plus tan A minus 1 divided by cos A is equal to minus tan A. Here you see the value of this one is equal to minus tan A. Minus tan A. Okay, na? Next, RHS value. Yes, RHS. Yes, 1 divided by cos A minus 1 divided by secant A. Secant A can be written as, again, 1 by cos A minus tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. So this is equal to 1 divided by cos A as it is minus 1 divided by, take LCM. So cos A is the LCM. Numerator also same, that is 1 minus sin A. So this is equal to 1 divided by cos A minus, so this term will shift to numerator, that is cos A divided by 1 minus sin A. Now you take LCM. So cos A into 1 minus sin A is the LCM. Now cos A gets cancels. Remaining 1 into 1 minus sin A, that is 1 minus sin A minus 1 minus sin A gets cancels. Remaining cos A into numerator cos A, that is cos square A. So this is equal to 1 minus sin A minus cos square A can be written as, again by using identity, that is 1 minus sin square A divided by 1 minus sin A into cos A again by using identity. Next, this is equal to 1 minus sin A minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square A divided by 1 minus sin A into cos A. As minus 1 plus 1 gets cancels. So again, as usual, take minus sin A as a common. So 1 minus sin A. So sin A common. Here sin square A divided by sin A. Why? Because minus sin A is common. So here also minus y because plus here what we need plus. So minus into minus plus sin square A. So divided by cos A into 1 minus sin A. So 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A gets cancels. So minus as it is, sin by cos, that is tan A. This one call it as 2. So from 1 and 2, yes, LHS value is same as RHS value. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS.